Hi folks, Paul here. We're back out at my range with our Weatherby Vanguard, chambered for the 257 Weatherby. You can describe this cartridge in one word: that is devastating. And I put together this load with a 117 grain Hornady boat tail spire point. And if somebody ever tells you that their rifle bullet combo drops every deer they've shot at the shot, you know, that boom flop, they're probably full of shit, or they probably only shot 2 deer in their life. But I've seen the 257 Weatherby on quite a few kills in the last 10 years. And if there ever is a cartridge combination with this 117 Hornady that just puts them down, it's this. I'm not saying it does it every time, but you know, 90% of the time it's pretty much bang flop with this cartridge. So we're just out here checking the zero on it. We'll run these over the chrony for you guys. Let's do it. $3,504. $3,532. $3,536. Man, those are smoking, aren't they? Guess you see why they put deer down just like that. Well, let's go up there and see what kind of accuracy we're looking at. This is a load that I've shot before, so I'm not really testing it. It should we should have a real nice group up there. Okay folks, there you go. This one here was from, just disregard that one. It's from a previous day. But there's your 3-shot group right there. Right. I would look at that and say it's right at an inch. It looks like it's grouping a little bit to the left, so I'm probably going to make an adjustment on that. I'm satisfied with that. .257 Weatherby, you gotta love it. See you on the next. Redneck Paul is out of here.